Did not see that coming. Bezzecchi's in Q1, we know, but Austria, never been one of sort of Aprilia's strongholds, but I don't think anybody could see Marco Bezzecchi in a really lowly 18th place. He's just taken the checker flag. A pretty miserable afternoon here in Spielberg for the Nuali factory. Marco Bezzecchi, will he be going through as the fastest rider in this opening 15-minute session? Having finished 18th yesterday, to get himself through to Q2, that would have been his only primary concern this morning. Marco Bezzecchi through safely in second place, 128.4 from Bezzecchi. Bez on course potentially for pole position. Marco Bezzecchi
from Q1
out of Q1 has taken pole position.